Hey everyone, welcome back to Trend Tech Guide. If you want to start trading crypto on your phone, here's how to download the Binance app on Android. Simply open the Google Play Store, tap the search bar and type Binance. Look for the app by Binance Inc., usually with yellow logo on a black background. Tap Install and wait for it to download. Once it's done, tap Open to launch the app. You can now sign in or create a new account to start trading securely. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and follow Trend Tech Guide for more easy tech tips.